If you have a Cricut, you have endless possibilities of making DIY gifts for your loved ones. In today's tutorial, you will learn the 7 gift ideas that you can make with your Cricut machine at home, because DIY gifts are so much better. Also, if you are looking for Christmas gift ideas, please check out my 25 days of gift ideas that you can make with your Cricut. The timestamps will be in the video description, so you can browse through today's video's topics, because we have 7 different gift ideas and I can't wait to share them. So this first gift idea is perfect for the people that love scratch-offs, aka lotto scratch-offs. And it is a lotto scratch-off holder. I made this last Valentine's Day for my scratch-off loving husband. He is obsessed with them, so am I, but a little bit more than me. I made this by scratch, by hand, in Cricut Design Space, and I will share the template link for you because I don't want you to have to create your own or buy one, right? I want you to use it. I created this with different colors of cardstock. You can customize this to any time though. It doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. It is a really simple gesture and a fun way to give lotto scratch-offs instead of putting them in a card. So check out the template link in the video description for that. The second Cricut gift idea that you can make was one of my bigger projects, and I made it this year for my husband. My husband gets all the DIY gifts for me, if you couldn't tell. And it was 30 days of gifts for his 30th birthday. Now you can do this with a 20th birthday, a 40th, 50th. It's a lot of gifts though, for warning you. But this was such a fun way to combine my husband's love for golf and also provide all the gifts I can possibly give him for him entering his 30s. I was going to throw him a party, but we were kind of limited here with the space. This was the perfect option. I've been planning this for 2 years now. I saw this idea on TikTok and I wanted to make this bigger and better. All of the products will be linked in the video description as well, so anything that you need will be provided there. The hardest part was finding all the different gifts that I could give him. The cups were really simple to make with my Cricut and felt, and also keeping everything a secret was one of the hardest parts too. He was absolutely shocked when he saw everything. I guarantee you, whoever you make this for will feel so loved and appreciated, and that's why having a Cricut is one of the best things to do as a gift giver. Now the third Cricut gift idea is again for a birthday. We're on the birthday train here, and it is a DIY birthday sash. But this can also be a gift for bachelorette parties, retirement parties, vacations, right? Like you can gift a sash to someone for so many different occasions, and it was so simple to make this because all I had to use was my heat press and HTV vinyl. It applied really well to the satin sash, and everything I got was from Amazon. Really quick, easy gift idea that I gave to my sister-in-law. The fourth Cricut gift idea that you can give someone is by far one of my top 3 Cricut projects I've ever made because it's so personalized. And it is a handwritten recipe tea towel. Now the full tutorial is here on YouTube because so many of you requested it when I posted a reel back on it last year. So my grandma and mother are no longer here with me. And one of the fondest memories I've had was baking and cooking with both my mom and grandma. I had all of these recipes that were handwritten by both my grandma and my mom. This would be such a beautiful gift idea I gifted it to myself, but I also gave one to my aunt as well. It brings so much life into your home because it's in remembrance of a loved one. But also if you have a favorite recipe that's in your family or, you know, with your friends that you love making, and the person you're gifting this to will always remember this gift for eternity. I really think it's one of the most beautiful gifts. So if you haven't made one yet, please check out that tutorial and it will be linked also in the video description. The fifth Cricut gift idea that you can gift someone is a previous product that I used to sell all the time. And if you don't know what it is yet, then we need to become friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about me so I can help you. But the fifth Cricut gift idea is a doormat. This is a perfect gift for homeowners, engaged couples, your own home. Doormats are a great home gift because they can be personalized to anything. I've made a ton of doormats over the years, and one of the best things to understand about gift giving is that people love personalization. So when you customize something for a gift that includes their name or their favorite color or their dog, right, like their children, any elements that you bring into the gift that show that like you care about them and also the other things in their life, you will be the best gift giver, I'm telling you. I now have 2 tutorials on here that will help you if you have no idea how to even make a doormat with your Cricut. It is definitely a bit more work when it comes to labor, but the end result is well worth it. gift. Okay, so this sixth Cricut gift idea that you can gift someone is for baby showers. You will blow everyone out of the water at that baby shower when you gift this idea. And it is a baby shower closet crate gift basket. Now, I used to be the kind of person that would give baskets for baby showers because they're easy, right? You can put all the things in the registry in there and boom, done. Well, now you can do the 2.0 version with this closet crate. I added 3 rods technically, and then you're able to hang clothing on it and personalize the front of the crate, add all the things that they wanted in their registry, and the best part is decorating it. When you get into discovering like the different themes, color palettes that you can do with this baby shower crate, it's endless. I've made a Star Wars one before. The second one I did was for a peach theme first birthday, so this doesn't even have to be for a baby shower. And they can also use this afterwards, which is great. So that tutorial is also here on YouTube, and I will put the video tutorial in the video description. The 7th and last Cricut gift idea that you can give someone is for the people that love to host or people that love tailgates as well, and it is cornhole boards. So when I posted the cornhole board tutorial, some of you actually didn't know what cornhole meant, and I'm going to explain it really quick. There's 2 big boards with 1 hole on like the top part of the cornhole board, and you get 4 bean bags. The goal is to put the bean bag either on the other cornhole board or to get it through the hole. That adds up to more points. It's a point-based game, and then you can't go over a certain amount. I forget, it's either like 21 or 27. I think it's 21 actually. This is a great gift because you can personalize them. I made them for my wedding, but now we have them as our home and can use them when we have family and friends over for backyard parties. We can also bring them to concert tailgates. This is also a labor-intensive gift too, so make sure you have the time to make it. But again, it's such a personalized, cool gift that you can make with your Cricut. I created the entire stencil and template with my Cricut and then painted it, and you'll have this gift forever. So those are the 7 Cricut gift ideas that you can make with your Cricut. Please comment below if you'd like this to be a series, and also what gift idea was your favorite. I'm curious. If I had to choose, it's definitely number 4. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more Cricut crafty content like this, tutorials, craft business tips, and so much more. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. I wish I could hug you, and thank you for being a part of the AMT community because we're a fun group of people. So you're missing out if you're not a part of it. But thank you again for watching today's video. I hope you have a very crafty day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I don't ever know. I don't ever know. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know. I get impatient.